Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to share with you a new nail polish of the week color. But first up, I soaked off my previous manicure and started off with clean nails. Of course, you always want to apply a base coat just to protect your natural nails and make sure that your manicure lasts a longer period of time. I'm just going in with one by Essence. This is one of my favorites. Like overall, I really love the base coats by Essence. They are really affordable and they really make sure that my manicure lasts a long time, because my regular manicure lasts for at least 7 to 9 days. Even if I am doing stuff around the house, cleaning, working, all that jazz. So yeah, they're really worth it. And then again, most of their products are vegan and they are completely cruelty free, so that's a big plus in my opinion. I actually do take notice of brands that are of course safe to use, but they are also like kind to animals, if you know what I mean. I don't want to use like brands that really test on animals and all that jazz, and I really do like that Essence is like going full vegan on their products as well. That's really neat. So yeah, if you do get the chance to get any of their base coats, do check them out. And the regular nail polishes are pretty cool as well. As you will see me swatching another Essence Shine Last and Go collection nail polish. This one is 36 Say My Name. I have already quickly swatched it in my previous video, which was the fall favorites with nail polishes and gel polishes, or at least some of my personal favorites and colors that I really recommend. But this is a beautiful dark teal color. Some people might say it's a little bit more blue or maybe a little bit more green. It really is in the eye of the beholder. If you feel like it's more blue or green, I feel like it has a lot of blue and just a tinge of green in there. But yeah, I'm just going to describe this one as a dark teal. It does have a really nice, like really gentle, subtle shimmer in it, which makes it pretty unique in my opinion. I do have to say I wasn't like disappointed or anything, but I really thought this would be a one coater, but just go with 2 thin layers and you are good to go. I'm also going to apply 2 thin layers in this like nail polish of the week swatch video, just to show you guys what it looks like on long nails, like long natural nails like the ones I have. Of course, you can always use regular nail polishes on acrylics or gel nails or anything like that. Don't feel like hassled or pressured to always use acrylics or gel polishes if you do wear fake nails in any shape or form. You can always just use regular nail polishes as well. Just make sure that if you do apply them, for instance on like tips or gel nails, that you remove it with a non-acetone nail polish remover, because acetone actually eats away your fake nails or false nails and gel polishes as well. So just take like a little bit more time and just use an acetone free one if you do use regular nail polishes on, for instance, gel extensions or something like that. Just a little heads up from me, a little tip, just to keep that in mind. But because I always work on my natural nails, to remove this, I would definitely just soak it off with some of those clips that I just worn in the like beginning of this video. But yeah, this color, it definitely needs a good protection layer of base coat, because it is a really dark color and it's kind of bluish as well. So that are usually colors that stain the nails like a lot, and just to prevent your nails getting like really stained, like orangey stained, because that can actually happen. Like some people are already like hassling and being really difficult and just pain in the butts about that. I have some discoloration on my nails. Like people I wear nail polishes all the time. I do so much videos for you guys. Like my nails, it would be like a miracle if my nails wouldn't have any discoloration. So yeah, some people think my nails are badly discolored, but I've seen nails that were like bright orange, like carrots. So just stop hassling and being a pain in the butt for other people who actually appreciate natural nails, because my stains aren't that bad. And then again, these are my nails, so who cares? We're going to cover them up with nail polishes anyway, but just to be sure, and also to make sure that your manicure lasts a long time, just go in with a good base coat, or even like a double layer of base coat, just to prevent any like staining or something like that. But here I'm already going in with the second layer of this Essence Say My Name polish. As you can see, it turns up really dark on camera. I don't know what exactly was going on, but my camera picked it up as a really dark green, but really in real life it is more like the color of the cap of this bottle itself. So it is a little bit lighter in real life. I don't know why my camera decided to show it as really dark, because it is a little bit lighter. But yeah, sometimes technology doesn't do what you want it to do, and I don't want to fiddle in like all of the different settings in my editing program, because that will definitely mess up all the other colors. So yeah, keep in mind it's a little bit less dark in real life, but then again a dark teal with a lovely shimmer in there. So just to finish off this manicure, I'm going in with one of my favorite top coats. This one is by Catrice Cosmetics. It is the High Shine Quick Dry one, if I remember correctly. This one has a more thin substancy. It's a little bit more watery. There's also the gel nail polish top coat. It isn't like a gel that you have to cure, it's just gel like. It gives like a shine. It's a little bit more thick, but it does air dry like a regular nail polish top coat. That one is really nice as well, but I prefer using that with like nail art stuff and just gems or just things like that, because I think it works best like that. But it will definitely give a neat shine to this polish as well, I'm sure. But this more watery, like thinner substancy one by Catrice is really nice as well. Again, Catrice is also cruelty free, is also going vegan on a lot of their products, and they are pretty affordable as well. A little bit more expensive than Essence, but not too bad at all. Like their polishes are like $3.50 or something like that, so that's not that bad. But yeah, this was already the new nail polish of the week video. This is Essence Shine Last and Go. It is called 36 Say My Name. I really love it. It's perfect for fall. Let me know what you guys think about this color. I pretty much love it, but I'm really curious about your thoughts. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.